day 84 water change. Okay, so I'm going to pause my pump, follow the instructions. Okay, so I paused it. You can hear it audibly. So there's a cap here. You pull it out, put your hose into the pump as best you can, as far as you can. And then what you do at the top, you press start. So what we're going to do, we're looking for the water to come through the hose and come through.
The water level was at medium, so it was not very much water to push through, but it did manage. As you can see, it is filling up slowly.
This is what it sounds like when there's no more water to pump out. So immediately stop it. And then, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull out the hose, kind of drape it over so it lets out the rest of the water from the hose, and then come back here and try and close it. Sorry. Let's see. There we go. Close it, and then put the water to the side. Try and immediately fill it. You can see the roots in there. So what I'm going to do is use a funnel, and what I like to do is get the liquid food and put it in before I put most of the water. So this is filling right back up again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see, per the instructions for the 12 pod models, it says 4 capfuls. So this is my gallon of distilled only. I already poured in the nutrients, so I'm just basically filling it up. Try not to give too much time between refilling it, just because you don't want the roots to dry out and it'll harm the plants in the long run, and you'll start noticing it on the leaves. So pretty much almost done 1 gallon here. And these Farm 24 XLs take 2 gallons of water. I mix one with distilled water and then the other one with regular fridge filtered water, and I usually let it warm up before doing so. And here goes the last one. I rinse the vinegar bottle really well before filling it with fridge water. And this is food grade, so that's why I was thinking might as well just use it. I'm going to check here in a moment to see if it's full up. So I'm going to check, and it is. So it's even over that max line. So I'm going to stop right there. Leave this for my next one. Thank you guys. Bye.